Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do.
So this time of year, the most thing is just taking these runners off and collecting in the strawberries, which is a fantastic job, really. Mostly because most of the strawberries don't get into the kitchen and I get to eat them on the way round. But these runners, until the strawberries stop, I'm going to be taking them off. It's just making sure I get all of them. Oh look, another strawberry here. So this is a fun job in summer, I think. Some of my strawberries are getting a bit funky, and that's, see, it's getting a bit funky, and that's due to lack of pollination, or pollination as everybody else in the world calls it. So, and this is split, so that's lack of watering regularly. So I do take off all the weird looking ones and just make sure, because they don't ripen properly, so just take them off and then I'll make them into something like this one here. Like that's ripe, but who wants to eat that? So they'll be used in jams and things like that. Don't go to waste. And if they're extremely lucky, they may go to the ducks. Tiny strawberries. So yeah, I just like to keep an eye on them because they go so quickly. And just making sure that all of these runners come off. So that's a daily job, that.